Good morning, boys and girls. I hope everyone is great this morning. We would like to say welcome to our third graders. Our second graders came on Friday. Welcome, second grader. Our first graders came on Thursday. Welcome to our first graders. Let's get ready for our morning calendar for group 2. Okay, group 2, and if group 1 is listening, y'all can go ahead and write y'all paragraph 2. Are y'all ready to begin our calendars? Can I get a yes? Maybe next time. Calendar. The month is September. Let's spell September. September. Remember, September, the S is going to be capitalized. You know why? Remember when we was doing nouns? So this is why they have to be capitalized, okay? The date is 21. Let's put a 2. 2 and a 1. Can you write a 21 if you're writing? Can you circle a 21 if you have the 21? Can you find the 21 and circle it? Can you circle 21? 2, 1. If you have the folder, you're going to circle 21, okay? Okay, the year. The year is 2020. 2020. So if you're writing, you're going to write 2020. But if you're circling it, you can circle it. You can circle it. The number 21 is an odd number, guys. 21 is an odd number. So, if you have the odd, you can circle it. But if you write it, it's O-G-D. Odd. So, if you have it and you can circle it, you circle it. Everybody have that, right? Do y'all have that at home? Do y'all have that for those who are in class? Odd. September 21, 2020. The number 21 is an odd number. Y'all ready to go to the next slide? Oh, what is the weather today? What is the weather at home? What is the weather at school? Is it stormy? It's raining. What about sunny? Is it sunny? No. Is it foggy? No. What about windy? Some places it's windy because of the rain, right? What about partly sunny? Is it partly sunny? No. So, for those at home, they're going to write rainy or stormy. So we're going to circle it. For those who can circle in group 2, group 1, you can write it. And you can also do windy because the trees. It's the trees while you're rocking left and right. How do y'all rock? Can y'all rock with me? Let's rock. What is the season? Is it fall? Almost. Tomorrow's gonna be fall. Y'all gonna see the leaves falling down off the tree. And they're gonna be different colors. They're gonna be green, orange, yellow, brown. So, but it's not today, it's going to be tomorrow. Is it winter? No, Miss B, it's not winter. What about spring? No, it is not spring. What about summer? Yes, today is the last day of summer. Everyone's tree should still be full. So we're going to circle summer if you're in group 2. And you're going to write summer, S-U-M-M-E-R. M-M-E-R. If you're writing summer. Are y'all ready for the next slide? Let's go. The temperature. Is it cold? No, Miss B. It's not cold. Is it cool? No. Is it warm? Yes, it could be warm. What about hot? Did anybody feel like it's hot? No. So, if you're writing in group 1, your paragraph, you're going to write warm. W-A-R-M. And let's go to the next slide down at the bottom about what we're wearing today. What are we wearing today? We all have on shirts, right? Do you have on a shirt? Do y'all have on shirts at home? Yes, shirts. What about jacket? No, not a jacket. What about sweater? No, not a sweater. What about shorts? Yes. Some of our friends have on shorts. And some of our friends have on pants, okay? We're going to go next slide. Now, on this slide, our group 1 and group 2 is going to participate. Yesterday was what, guys? Yesterday was Sunday. Can y'all say Sunday? And Sunday, you're going to circle if you're in group 2. If you're in group 1, you're going to write it. Remember, your S is going to be capitalized. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Y'all have that at home? Y'all have that in class? Let's go to the next slide. Today is Monday. It was hard to come to school. It was hard to get on the computer, but we're going to get through. Today is Monday, and guess what? Miss Alexis loves the Saints. It's football. Can y'all do a football for me? Football. Her Saints is going to come on today. So, let's circle Monday for group 2, and let's write Monday for group 1. Remember, your M is going to be capitalized. M-O-N-D-A-Y. We're going to go to the next slide to see what's next. Tomorrow would be what, guys? Tuesday. Can y'all say Tuesday? Tuesday. So if you're in group 2, you're going to circle it. If you're in group 1, you're going to write it. And remember, your T is going to be capitalized. Capital T, U-E-S-D-A-Y. How many days have our kindergartens been at school? 21. Our kindergartens who are coming to school are going to get to come in this week. And those at home, we're just going to do some videos with y'all, okay? 21. How many days have first and second been at school? I'm pretty sure it's going to be 27. 2 and a 7. Miss B may be off a little, but you can check your calendar and see, and let me know. For group 2, today was an even number or odd number? Today was an odd number. You could circle it. You could trace it. Odd. And if you have group 2, our basic 10. So we're gonna do 2 10s and circle 1. Thank y'all so much. Hopefully we can come back with some more videos. I hope everyone have an awesome day, and we'll talk to y'all soon. Okay, don't forget to erase your calendar. Send pictures if you're at home before you erase it. Don't forget to send pictures of your paragraph. Can't wait to see them. Bye-bye.